What's up, guys? Welcome back. Thank you for subscribing to Not Your Father's Capital. And in this video, we're going to touch upon Cardano and what a day it is having. All right, huge session, almost 22% gains on the day. Has such retreated at the time of this recording, almost 11%. So we're going to get into that, and I'm going to tell you guys why Cardano could move higher in the start of 2023. So for those of you that are not part of the family, join the channel, hit the subscribe button. It is completely free. Like this video and follow us on Twitter. We will have updates along the way covering all of your favorite cryptos. But for now, let's get into why Cardano is moving. All right, so almost 11% at the time of this recording. Cardano, 165% trading volume in the last 24. Just a nice solid day. You can see basically this breakout as we see this nice pump in green candlestick up into the 34 cents level. We have such given back some of those profits. You can see a steady sell coming down and retreating back to these levels. All right, so a lot of people are worried, is this a bull trap? And take it for what it's worth, guys. We are seeing basically Cardano brushing into the lower 30s, and just where Cardano was headed. This is just great news. All right. There's been a lot of positive momentum. Cardano's basically been fairly immune to what has happened with the exchanges in terms of were not paired with the FTT token. And so that was huge, just avoiding that bullet. And Hoskinson, if you are a believer, is building something very low and slow when it comes to their development down their roadmap. And there is a lot of positive news and catalysts to come in 2023 as it relates to Cardano, which we will get into in later videos and down the road. But for today, let's just talk about this. They have received over $1.5 billion in one day. The Cardano value is to skyrocket, okay? So we're going to talk about this money that is flowing into Cardano in the last 24 hours, bringing the ADA cap to a daily high, which is $11.74 billion, okay? So this purchasing pressure is causing the value to surge, currently trading at that 33 cents level, okay? So at the time of this publication, that was up 14% in the last 24. So when I woke up this morning, and probably when you guys woke up, for the majority of you, that if you're on the East Coast, the Midwest, down south, wherever you may be in the United States or worldwide, if you get the updates, you saw Cardano. Wow, it was 21% was what I woke up to, and that is just a great way to start January and start into 2023. So this purchasing pressure, if you look at the chart, caused basically Cardano to skyrocket, and that is basically a 28% price increase over the last 7 days. Now we are seeing that resistance, and it's kind of been funny to talk about because as Cardano continued to trek downwards in the last few months, 30 cents, if you would have told me you could have got 30 cents for a Cardano, that would just be outlandish to think about. But now we are talking about 30 cents as a resistance instead of a floor. All right, so this will be now a significant support level as we advance possibly to the 50 cents level, okay? Now, what we are going to see is a lot of investors taking profits due to all of the blood that has been shed in the last few months in this bear market. Now, when we see the overall market trend, we could possibly have some positive momentum that will cause maybe a rally in itself into 2023. We are getting a lot of positive, suspected positive news coming out from the jobs report, the CPI data, and the FOMC. Basically is going to cause a lot of hysteria in the markets, whether it be good or bad. That is yet to be determined. However, we are seeing the Cardano make positive strides. Their DeFi space is growing. All right, smart contracts is growing at an exponential rate compared to a lot of other cryptos, all right? And also, it is important to follow the money. We are seeing a huge spike in whales as it relates to Cardano, causing more upward momentum. Now, a lot of whales look to swing trade certain cryptos, all right? Now, it is just basically going to be anticipating their actual live releases of their first two stable coins in the first quarter of 2023. So there is basically a lot of highly expected news as it relates to Cardano. We are going to see layer 2 scalability solution in Hydra, which will boost transaction speeds and low latency through and maintain high throughput with low gas prices. Okay, so that will also cause Cardano to have a lot of positive momentum and boost even higher, okay? But we are basically still in a bear market, all right? So it is important to note that a lot of people take a different tone when it comes to investing and take the sentiment that could we go any lower from here instead of just banking on the fact that crypto will see better days and recover. So if you believe in crypto, yes, we were at basically the floor. If you look back in 2018, 2019, pre-bull run in 2021, we have just given back all of those profits, and everything basically has been retreated to a level of infancy as it relates to crypto developing, and this is where it all started. So these levels that we are at are not new levels. It's just basically given back all of the gains that we experienced in the bull run of 2021. Okay, so this price prediction learning algorithm is predicting the token will trade at 27 cents by the end of January. So giving back a lot of that gain that we saw on the day into the 30 cents level. Okay, so just please take it for what it's worth. I just wanted to get this video out for you guys to see what your thoughts are with Cardano, how the news is shaping up with the charts on the day. Cardano is having a very positive day as we start off 2023. But please do your own research with all things financial. This is not intended to be financial advice. With all things crypto and volatile, please do your own research. And I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. But please hit that subscribe button, follow us on Twitter, and we will see you all in the next video.